6th, 1997. A bit of high winds.
Outside.
Yeah, he's gonna freeze. No, you gotta take the iguana inside.
Oh yeah. Ben. He's an iguana. He likes to hiss at you.
No.
Because he's an iguana. He's got sharp claws. He can hardly even bite. He's a nice guy. We don't know if it's a boy or a girl. We could picture out it's a boy. Or maybe a girl, I don't know. No.
Okay.
It's a nice one.
Just hold that for a second, okay? Now, Austin.
No, he crawls on you. He's a good pet.
Okay.
Well, this is Leia, my new dog. Got her yesterday. Say hi, Leia.
Nice to meet you.
You can fit. See, look.
Now keep him with you. Keep him with you. So we can.
Oh, not the
Scooper.
She's the two girls together.
He's very playful. He's 4 months old.
5 years old.
Iguana. Hello, give me a kiss then.
He's very friendly.
Okay.
It's great. We're the first time we met.
Beautiful. Yes, you are. The ancient. Oh, no.
Yeah, this guy's got sharp claws.
We're doing home movies.
He's,
She.
well, she, likes to, take a walk.
Well, she hasn't been out for a walk yet, right?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
It's too
She
windy.
doesn't go in her bed at night.
She won't. She got out last night. Oh, nice. He always likes to go on. He likes to be high. Guess what? At the store, it costs $200. I bet for everything. Got this one for 20, cage and everything, because they wanted to give it away at a house. It was a great bargain. Good pet. They want to be at the store to buy a little thing first, not to go out to the big one. I don't want this big. They wanted me to buy. Pretty gay.
We got another one somewhere. And just.
This is Juan. Hi.
Okay. Now the idea is you gotta pull him off and I'm gonna pull you off. Okay? Go ahead. That's it. Get him off, honey. Come on, Danny. Pull him off. Pull him off. Pull him off, Danny. Pull him off. Pull him off. Pull it off! Pull him off, Daddy! Daddy, pull him off!
4th of July, 1994.
That's the dining room.
Mind your back. Mind your back.
No. You can't get into this. Just stop. That's the Yeah! We won!
And now it's hot. That's a room that was there. You know why?
Okay, you get on my shoulder.
Everyone told me that. And we are going to rent it.
Why don't you guys do that a little bit?
Okay, who's next? Yeah, let's go. All right, here we go. No. The horse is kicking.
No, not cheating.
The horse is going to listen to you. All right, We won! What happened? Alrighty, roll out. We got no through here, so be careful. I'll watch it. Alright, hey, your husband cheats.
Ah! That's a terrible thing.
No.
Listen, I missed it.
Turn around, Libby.
I didn't get my glasses still on.
You gotta take it easy.
And then Mom, look at the Mom laughing. Look at that face, look at that face, look at that face. It's like Mamisha, look at that! I want to get you. Janusz! Janusz! Maria! Joy! Hey!
Did you catch that on camera?
I wish I had! I didn't know you were going to do that!
I'll tell you something.
Let's do a rerun.
I had a mouthful of potato chips. Absolutely disgusting.
I thought we were out of chips.
Let's do a rerun.
Come on. I missed it. I'm so mad. Look at this. Look at that with the fly.
Put the finger down. Princess, wait, I never did it.
I know. No way. Not with Janusz.
Yeah. Please, or else I will.
The perfume's wonderful.
Ooh. Big man. They're all going. I missed a whole lot. They're all going mad. All throwing them in. They're all throwing them in. They're all throwing them in. I missed them in. I missed it. They're all throwing them in. Look. Where's she going? There's one girl who just they threw in. There's one girl who threw in.
I didn't either.
Oh, there she is. Yeah.
No, be careful by the pool
I
here.
should have called Bob. Oh, I thought this was fire. You want some fish towel or something? I'm just to my baby.
I'll get you right now. Hey, Rosa, you were putty in my hands right now. I had you before you even got to the middle.
look at that. Mamusha. Sorry, I can't do anything. Oh, that's beautiful.
Steak and eggs. Starving. I couldn't get away. I'm sure there'll be more later.
Oh, spoil sports. Get him.
You know, I was going to come in shorts, but I kind of changed my mind.
I know, I pushed Vince and I didn't think he was going to push me in this night.
Take a while.
They were. She'll put a hex on me.
Take a while. I forgot there was I might have to
Hi. Happy 4th of July. That's it. I got
Thank you.
The Mad Hatters.
Went to town riding on a pony. The British are coming!